I'm gonna show you one tree how it bloom and pretty, and it have a lots of blossom on it, guys. So just take a look at it, guys. See how it's pretty. Let me zoom it up a little bit closer so you can have a nice look at it. Look at it, guys. It's so pretty, guys. You know, this is how nature look, guys. Look at nature. Nature is so beautiful. Zoom it up, make up in the top part there, so show you up in the top part there, so guys, look at it. Yeah, look at zoom down. Look on that one here. I don't close. Look at it, guys. Flowers is so bloomy, you know. Bloomy and pretty, guys. You know? Yeah, man, just watch and enjoy, you know. Wow, yeah, look at that. No, don't turn over the side. Yeah, I'm turning it to and catch me. Sun hot, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Sun hot, guys. You see it looking nice. Zoom it up more, make you see it, guys. Oh, it's pretty. Blooming. I call this tree king of the forest. You know? Very nice. Look at the butterfly here, guys. Pretty, you know? Yeah, man, and just continue to like, share, watch, and subscribe to the channel. You know, this is Juba Bruce Love TV. What is love without nature? You know, looking so pretty. Give you a next zoom down at it. You see, look at it, guys. Pretty like wow. Look up in the top of it. Look on the bees there, guys. Zoom in, look come nearer like you can see. See, guys, pretty, you know, man. This is how nature look. You see it? Life cannot go on without nature. See me, so peace, love, joy, and happiness. I'm out.